Hi traders, today is 6th of August 2019. We are now live for WTI crude oil day trading WTI NYMEX. This is a CLU 9 September 2019 contract. So as you can see, we will find in this video how I do scalping for US session. So most important thing during US session, the volume will be very high. So we just entering 10 a.m. New York time. So searching for opportunity to go into the market, which is at this moment we didn't receive any signal yet. It has been 1 hour since 9 a.m. in the morning, New York time. Let's wait for let's focus for the signal which might appear in any moment soon, and we will do scalping. Target to be around 250 to 350 US dollar in profit, perhaps within a few minutes time. Okay guys, it seems like we have one setting signal for US session scalping. So I'm expecting to short sell at 54.74 and target to take profit somewhere here. Should be around 20 ticks with estimation and projection at this moment. Okay, so let me enlarge it a bit so we can see it more clear. This is sell stop limit order for US session scalping. Alright, so let's take a look on the volume. Ooh, there's not much volume waiting on the price below current 58.82 before we trigger this entry, so I will wait. But in 5 minute time, I'm quite sure that it will got fill and go for a profit. Only at this moment the market move on the sideways movement almost 2 hours since the beginning of US session, Chicago time, 8 a.m. in the morning. So there's a large volume as well waiting at somewhere. I queue for my stop limit order. I queue at 54.74. So there's a large volume at 54.72. So let's wait and find another possibility to enter the market. So at this moment, 54.74 is a good entry point for the breakout on the short sell position. Okay, we are in the market. So I will exit my position. Somewhere here. Looks good at this moment. Exactly 20 ticks. Okay. So the highest just now is 66. So it should be around 160. So I'm targeting in 1 minute time. I can exit the market, but seems like they reverse back. So let's wait patiently. At this moment, we are in the positive territory, 100 ticks within a few minutes. So I did enter at around 10:49. So now it's 10:50. Already 1 hour. The profit at this moment is 120, 140, 160, 200. Looks good. Now back to 120, 160. Hopefully there's a continuation to the downside. So please refer to this PNL. 180, 200. keep going down. So I think above 250 I will exit, because target is 250 to 350. When we at 300, it should be good enough. So I will adjust my position to 58. It is about 14 plus 2, 16. So 320, this is the target, US dollar in profit. Not far. So let's take a look on the volume. There's not much interesting. The top side also less, bottom side also less. Now the price remain at the same price level. Now try to return back. Is the market still in a sideways movement? Not sure. Another 2 more minutes, so let's wait. My target is always less time is better, because it's a day trade. Scalping for a few minutes every day, and that's it. Okay, there's a high volume spike. Now missing. Okay, hopefully the price will push much more faster to the downside movement, so it will be easy for me to exit. And because there is a strong demand, and also there's a fresh selling position coming in to push the price. It's not far away, and this is where I will take my profit. 54.58. The profit at this moment is 100 US dollar after 5 minutes in the market. So we are going back to 200 profit level. Any moment should be a breakout. If the price reverses back, then I will exit immediately to just to protect. 140, 120, 140. Looks good. So I remove some. So my profit, taking profit is 54.57. Okay, try to reverse back. It looks like a full bar. Away exceeding, so still at 200 in profit. 240. Yeah, that's good. If I exit, should be good also. Okay, try to reverse back. Just watch this candle. 3. Two 20, 240, 260. I think good enough. Okay, 240 US dollar in profit. So let's take a look how long it takes. Okay, around 8 minutes. Job quite easy. The price will go further down, so it doesn't matter, because we do only scalping. We take daily salary. That's it. Should be enough. 8 minutes. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. my channel, and like and share. Also comment if you have any question. There's also some description below. There's also link inside it. Feel free to click on it and subscribe this channel for more videos. There's a lot of day trading video in my playlist, so you can watch. Maybe someday you will learn from me how I do trade. Okay, now the market still going down, so we already exit the market. So enough for today. I'm closing the chat. Thank you. Bye bye.